Just start, make it happen, and you'll see the success. Plan to win. We're gonna make this business a success, doing whatever it takes, however long it takes, whatever energy I have to put in, whatever investments I have to put in, whatever nights that I have to sacrifice. I'm gonna actually make it happen, and that is the business plan, that you're gonna go all in 100%. There's no plan B, right? What does Will Smith say? There's no plan B. Why focus on plan B? It'll distract you from plan A, which is your business plan. So go ahead and make it happen going into 2020. If you have a business idea or you've been contemplating, procrastinating on, I need to put all my ducks in a row, I need to get things together before I can actually make that investment, or I can actually start doing the work, or I can actually start speaking to people, you really need to focus on is the confidence within and understanding and having the belief in what you are offering that is going to add value to people, impact people. And that's the most important thing, right? With that, go ahead, make it happen. Start talking to people, start selling people, start, sharing what you've actually experienced that can make an impact. And so we're definitely excited for you. Let us know in the comments below if you are starting a new business. If you're gonna now just say, hey, I'm not gonna worry about the business plan, I'm gonna make it happen. This is the time now. And I've been making my business plan for 2-3 years now, and I haven't started anything, right? Just start, make it happen, and you'll see the success and the answers coming your way.